Welcome to Pltd Apung Museum, a tourism site located in Banda Aceh. I will take you to reflect on the horrifying tsunami 2004 in Aceh. Before we get into the ship site, take a few moments to pause in front of the tsunami monument to memorize the tsunami victims from villages around this site. There are names and origins written on the monument. To get onto the ship, we walk through this way. From above, we can see residence houses that were ruined by the tsunami. Imagine, the tsunami has brought a 2,600 ton ship as far as 5 kilometers from its original place at Ulele Harbor to the mainland, this current place in Pltd. Pltd Apung is a diesel power plant that was made in Batam in 1996. With 2,600 tons, this ship can supply 10.5 megawatt of electricity for Banda Aceh and partially Aceh Besar residents. After the deck, we get into the hull. Here are multimedia displays that have been professionally curated that can give us a real feeling of tsunami disaster. Here, right in front of you, are history displays of living witnesses of Pltd Apung. You can read their story about what they had gone through on December 26, 2004, and how Pltd Apung can be on the mainland. Next, you can see the path that brought Pltd Apung from Ulele to Pltd in the tsunami. at least there were 5 villages has passed through by this generating ship. This is a documentary video clip about the experience of eyewitnesses to the tsunami and how Pltd Apung came to the mainland. In this multimedia room, chairs are available for you to rest, just in case you are tired after going up to the deck. Meanwhile, take your time to contemplate the residence houses which were just beneath the ship. They had been doing their daily normal activities until the tsunami attacked and changed everything all of a sudden. Then I want to take you to the second floor of the ship, and you can see the multimedia display, which shows us the tsunami education and disaster information. We stop at this ship's bridge for a while. You can turn around to the hull. Let's imagine There is a giant diesel power plant in front of you that used to be responsible for supplying electricity to Banda Aceh residents and its surroundings. This Pltd Apung had been sailing to some areas in Indonesia. It used to be in Pontianak in 1997 for the first time, then in Bali in 1999, in Madura in 2000, and came back to Pontianak in 2001. Finally, it docked in Aceh in 2003. He conquered night and day, sun and moon to you, and his command is guiding the stars. Indeed, on that there are true signs, the greatness of Allah, for those who understand. Quran Surah An-Nahl, verse 12. To get down off this ship, we can choose the way that has been signed or go down through the different deck. That's all our experience in the Pltd Apung Museum and memorizing the horrifying affair. Thank you for taking the virtual trip with us. See you another time.